As you can see, the hunting dog and its master are all ready for the hunting. The dog knows that it's time for hunting, so it obeys anything that the master say or do. Here we can see that the dog keep it calm even as it is on a bike. It knows that it is time for hunting, so it is one of the best moments. Hunting dogs are wise dogs. They obey their masters in all sort of ways. When it's time for hunting, they obey their commands. They also obey the calling that the master gave them. As you can see here, the dog still sits on the bike without even shaking or disturbing the master. That's an awesome fact about hunting dogs. For more information, please visit our YouTube channel, Otto Joseph Hunting Dogs. You'll get more awesome facts about hunting dogs. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.